Good morning, dear students. In our previous class, we have started the new chapter, that is the living organisms, characteristics and habits. Okay, in which we already done introduction of the chapter, and I have told to you that just go through the introduction in your textbook. You will come across what we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so let's start this chapter. Or the first point is organisms and the surroundings where they live. Okay, in our surroundings various types of organisms you come across. For example, if we are taking the example of desert, तो desert में आपको usually कौन से types के organisms मिलेंगे? Camel. Okay, we are just thinking the general. Clear? Then if you will go to the mountains, then you will you have goats and yak. Okay, if you will go to the beach, you will have the crabs on a beach, or a varieties of fish in a as well as there will be a varieties of fish in a size and shape, in a colors. Okay, then if you will go to the polar region area, then you might have come across the polar bear. Clear? So these are the certain organisms. Do you think that how many creatures we have? है ना, हम हमारे नेचर में कितने सारे क्रिएचर्स हैं, ऑर्गेनिजम्स कितने सारे हैं. दे ऑल आर डिफरेंट टू ईच अदर. दे ऑल हैव देयर ओन फंक्शन टू डू, right? They all have their own they all have the way, their own living of way. Okay, then you might have come across a certain kinds of plants found in each of this region were so different from the plants of the other regions, right? For example, desert के plants जो है वो यहाँ के plants से भी बहुत अलग होंगे. then polar region के plants भी अलग होंगे, right? so plants में भी बहुत सारी varieties है, plants में भी बहुत सारे creatures है. don't you think if we talk about different regions, you will have to perform an activity that is given in your textbook. Okay, in the forest, on the mountains, in the desert, in the sea, or any other places. Okay, animals, plants and other objects found in a different surroundings. What you have to do in this activity, you will have to just think about if you are in a mountain region, either look any kind or watch any video related to mountain region, so that you will come to know that in a mountain area what kind of plants and animal they live. Okay, you will have to list out all the things which you will see in the mountain. Similarly, in the forest area, forest में कौन से animals and plants mostly आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. in a desert कौन से, और in the sea or any other place. then what you have to do, you have to categorize कि mountain में ये सारे plants है, animal है, desert में ये है, polar region में ये है, और sea area में ये है. now after that you have to see, is there any similar thing, is there any similar animal you can find in both places. ऐसा कोई animal, ऐसा कोई plant जो है वो sea area में भी मिलता है और हमें mountain region में भी मिलता है. Okay, so that things you have to note down. Now on the basis of the activity, you will come across the certain habits and adaptations of animal and plants. Okay, now the things is, what is the habit? Okay, where you are living, in a house. Okay, so this is your habit because you are living in a house. So the habit means the place where organisms live, that is called as the habit. Okay, now what is adaptation? Adaptation, it means what? If you want to stay in your house, you must have certain kind of characteristics. You must have certain kind of special things or special features to stay in your house. Okay, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका एक वेल फैसिलिटेड हाउस है, बहुत बड़ा है, तो यू मस्ट तो आपकी आप समर में एसी के बिना रह ही नहीं सकते. तो is the kind of adaptation to help you survive in the summer season. Okay, so similarly in a plants or in an animal also there are certain adaptations to survive in a particular situation. For example, fish can live under water only. They cannot survive without water. So for the fish water is necessary. अब water के अंदर है, fish is also living organisms, right? As a part of living organisms we all require oxygen and food, है ना? तो वो food के लिए, oxygen के लिए fish क्या use करेगी? Fish don't have nose like us, right? Fish don't have mouth like us and teeth like us that they can chew the food and they can digest easily. They don't have anything like us, but yes, they have different things from us. How? Because fish को breathe करना है तो वो कहाँ से breathe करेगी? From the water. Water जो है वो oxygen से बनता है, H2O. There is a oxygen. So water में है ना dissolve oxygen होता है. So that oxygen will use the fish for the breathing. Clear? Now the food, for the food what fish do? Fish will eat the small insects or any other things in the whatever the things they can get under the water. Okay, हम fish को खाने के लिए, अगर aquarium है हमारे घर में छोटा सा, so we usually give the certain small balls to eat the fish, है ना? तो वो छोटे छोटी चीज़ें, छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स वो सब कुछ खाती है. Now fish have the gills to breathe. और वो गिल्स क्या करती है? वो ऑक्सीजन को, डिजोल्व ऑक्सीजन को ब्रीथ करने में हेल्प करती है. देन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को बाहर निकालने में भी हेल्प करती है. देन फिन्स एंड टेल्स. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ फिन्स और टेल्स इन द फिश? बिकॉज फिश जो है वो 24 आवर्स बाय 7 वो पूरा साल, पूरी जिंदगी पानी में ही रहेगी, राइट? सो पानी में रहने के लिए उनको तैरना, बैलेंस करना पानी में, वो सब कुछ होना चाहिए. देन एंड देन ओनली फिश कैन एबल टू स्विम इजीली अंडर द वाटर. सो fins and gills are the major adaptation for the fish to survive in the water. अगर fins और gills नहीं होंगे तो फिश क्या तैर पाएगी? नहीं. अगर सोचो आप ही पानी में जा रहे हो तो वो लोग क्या करते हैं? आपको कुछ बॉटल्स दे देते हैं ऑक्सीजन की. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास ऐसी एबिलिटी नहीं है कि हम पानी का डायरेक्ट ऑक्सीजन ले सके, राइट? इधर हमें बहुत ही ऊंडा, बहुत ही डीप ब्रीथ करना पड़ेगा, राइट? देन ओनली वी कैन स्विम अंडर द वाटर. बट for those people who are not able to take deep breath, then what they can do? They use the oxygen cylinder when they go for the swimming, right? And that oxygen they can use it. They cannot able to use the oxygen which get from the water because we don't have gills. हमारे पास गिल्स नहीं है, हम फिश नहीं है, राइट? इवन कि आपने कहीं पे देखा होगा कि पैर में भी कुछ फिश की तरह रबर के पहनाते हैं. सो क्यों वो पहनाते हमें? क्योंकि हम पानी में इजीली बैलेंस कर सके, पानी में इजीली हम डायरेक्शन चेंज कर सके. क्लियर? सो फिश हैव दिस adaptation. So I am sure you must get what is the adaptation and what is the habit. Habit is nothing but in short the place where you are living. That is called the habit. Without house we are not able to survive. For example, जो lion, tiger, giraffe, they all are the animals. They can live on in the forest, है ना? वो अगर उसको घर में रख सकते हैं? नहीं. So forest is the habit for them. Clear? So for example यहाँ पे दिया है कि sea, plants and animal are surrounded by saline. Okay. सी के एनिमल्स और जो प्लांट्स है दे कैन ग्रो इन दी सी वाटर, क्योंकि सी का वाटर है दे आर सॉल्टी, सलाइन होता है. ओके, तो सॉल्ट वाटर होता है. जो सी के प्लांट्स है वो नॉर्मल वाटर में ग्रो कर सकते नहीं है, उनको ग्रो करने के लिए सलाइन वाटर चाहिए. सिमिलरली एनिमल्स दे ऑल्सो नीड सलाइन वाटर टू स्टे लाइफ. Okay, and most of them use the air dissolved in the water. As I have told you, aquatic, all type of aquatic animal, they use the dissolved oxygen from the water for the breathing. Clear? So there is very little water available in the desert. डेजर्ट में बहुत ही कम पानी होता है और बहुत ही कम बारिश होती है. सो व्हाट दे कैन डू, डेजर्ट एनिमल्स एंड डेजर्ट प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल camel have the special adaptation, special features. For what? They can walk in the desert very easily, right? Because they have the foot pad in their foot, in their leg. Okay, so they can walk easily on the hot desert. Then camel can have the ability to store the water in hump. You all must have seen the camel. उसका जो hump है वो पानी स्टोर कर सकता है तकरीबन 1 वीक के लिए. Okay, so this is the adaptation, two adaptation of the camel. Then second is the eyelashes. Camel की eyelashes बड़ी होती है. For what? They can see the long side. Okay, desert में दूर दूर तक कुछ नहीं होता, but camel have the big eyelashes so that they can watch far to the desert. Okay, and they can that eyelashes protect their eyes from the sun heat. Okay, so today we discussed about the fish adaptation, camel adaptation, okay, and sea animals adaptations and habitat. In our next class we will study about the terrestrial habitat, okay, aquatic habitats, and biotic and abiotic components. Okay, I am sure you will do the activity I will give you in a homework. We will meet in our next class. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.